Good morning, children. Now let us start our class. Now we are discussing about multiplying by 10, 100 and 1000. Then first multiplying by 10. To multiplying a number by 10, then we put 1 0 to the right of the given number. For example, 23 into 10. Here we have to multiplying 23 by 10. So we put 1 0 to the right of this 23. That is 23 and put 1 0. 230 is the product of 23 and 10. Understand? Then 66 into 10. Then we put 1 0 to the right of 66. That is 660. Then 592 into 10. What is the product? We put 1 0 to the right of this number. Then 592 and put 1 0 to the right of this number. That is multiplying any number by 10. We put 1 0 to the right of that given number. Understand? Then multiplying any number by 100. We put 2 zeros to the right of that given number. Then 25 into 100. Then here we have to multiply this 25 by 100. So we put 2 zeros to the right of this 25. Then 25 and put 2 zeros. That is 2500 is the product of 25 and 100. Then 92 into 100. What is the product? Yes, 92 and put 2 0 to the right of that number. 9200. Then 725 into 100. This product is 725 and put 2 zeros. Then 72,500 is the product of 725 and 100. Then multiplying by 1000. Then how will you multiply any number by 1000? Here 25 into 1000. Then multiplying any number by 1000, we put 3 zeros to the right of that number. That is 25 and 3 zeros. 25,000. 92 into 1000. Then put 3 zeros to the right of this 92. 92,000. Then 725 into 1000. Then put 3 zeros after 725. Then 7,25,000 is the product of 725 and 1000. That is, to multiplying any number by 10, we put 1 0 to the right of that number. Multiplying by 100, we put 2 zeros to the right of that number. Multiplying by 1000, we put 3 zeros to the right of that number. Understand? Next is multiplying by 200, 300, etc. That is product of 100 or multiples of 100. Multiplying by multiples of 100. Then how will you multiply by these numbers? Then for example, 25 into 200. You know that 200 is the product of 2 and 100. So first of all, we should multiply this number by 2. First we multiplying 25 by 2. And we know that 25 into 2 is 50. Then put 2 zeros to the right of that product. Then multiplying by 200. First of all, we should multiply that number by 2. Then put 2 zeros to the right of that product. Understand? Then multiplying by 300. Then 36 into 300. 300 is also a multiple of 100. So first of all, we should multiply 36 by this 3. Then 36 into 3. Here 6 3s are 88. Remainder 1. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Then we get 108. 36 into 3 is 108. Then after we put 2 zeros to the right of this product. Then multiplying by 500. Then 12 into 500. How will you find this product? First multiplying this number by 5. Then 12 into 5. That is 12 into 5? 60. Then 12 into 5 is 60. Then after we put 2 zeros to the right of this number. That is multiplying any number by the multiple of 100. Then first of all we should multiplying. If it is 200, then multiplying by 2. If it is 300, then multiplying by 3. Then after put 2 zeros. Understand? The next is multiplying by multiples of 1000. Then 25 into 2000. Then first of all we should multiply this 25 by 2. You know that 25 into 2 is 50. Then after put 3 zeros to the right of this product. Then what is 32 into 4000? First we multiplying the product of 32 and 4. Then 32 into 4 is 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 128. Then after put 3 zeros to the right of their product. Understand? Then 21 into 8000. First we multiplying this 21 by 8. Then 1 8 is 8, 8 2s are 16, 168. Then after put 3 zeros. Like this. Multiplying any number by 2000. First multiplying that number by 2, then put 3 zeros. Multiplying by 5000. First we multiplying that number by 5, then put 3 zeros. Understand? That is multiplying any number by the multiple of 100. We first multiplying that number by, if it is 200, then multiplying by 2, then put 2 zeros. After that multiplying by 2000, then first multiplying by 2, then put 3 zeros. Understand?